Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Me and Gibbon got like pretty close to the exit, but there were two shelves.
Man, my headset died. Me and Dash both will.
I don't even know if I'm going the right way or not. Gib. Oh yeah, we're going the right way. What was that?
That?
Come here.
That was just
okay,
me.
So look, follow me. Look. I'm recording. Okay, so. What?
I don't know.
Why? Why?
Why not?
Okay, but that
soda!
Exit, I imagine.
Ooh, hole. Oh. What's up here?
What?
Nothing.
Nothing. Alright.
Drink. Casper.
Wait, crowbar! Did you not see the crowbar on the floor? I have a crowbar.
I ain't got no crowbars. I don't spit no bars either.
Red lights usually means the monster.
Well,
not right there. So I can probably get out. I hope if I die, I don't lose this. Oh, this goes up. Look, bro, this game does such a good job making it feel like Kane Pixels.
yeah. Love you.
Are you saying yeah to me or?
No, my dad.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead. Wait, let's go back to the shelf and see if I can open it. Come on.
I wonder if it'll open for me too.
What?
Wonder if it'll open for me too.
It worked. Mine opened. See? Is yours? Oh no.
We have to go find it. Come
Wait,
on.
if I go on to the first level, you should just go and press the button.
Oh yeah. Wait, come back.
Wait.
Please come back.
It's really dark. I can't. I'm scared.
Papa Junior, Junior.
Bro, go back to menu. Go back to the menu and join level 1.
How? How?
Dude, just kidding. I saw the monster. Yeah.
Red guy! Where'd he go?
He's on the stairs. It's a dead end.
Did you go up the stairs?
Yeah, I went up the stairs.
Where'd you go?
I'm all the way upstairs.
Did you hear me screaming?
Stupid. Yes, duh.
No, you didn't. Stop lying.
He's actually dumb. Wait.
He's like, you missed. Oh crap.
Uh-oh.
Why bro sound like that? Bro's on Medicare. The frick did you go?
I'm in a dark room and I'm scared.
I'm in a dark room too.
I found the button.
Can you come back to spawn? Please come back to spawn, Dash.
No. He got.
Where'd you... I don't know where you found that button though. We don't know where you went though. Where it goes, boom.
Wait.
It's
Oh,
in here.
my sanity. My sanity.
I'm at 46.
Okay, mine's at 100 now.
So is mine.
Do you hear that beeping sound?
Papa Junior, Junior.
Yeah.
Oh God!
Take me to that button you found.
Bro, it's so dark. I don't even think we can get out of there.
Right foot creep, ooh, walking with it.
If I'm close to him, does it drain my sanity faster? Uh-oh. Hey man, please back up.
Loser.
I found a map.
Well, you fell off the map.